Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are pleased to offer this Suzuki Burgman 400, registered the 24th of September 2025 on a 75 plate with only 542 miles and presented in metallic reflective blue. This particular example is in outstanding condition as you would expect from such little mileage and benefits from a genuine Suzuki 47-litre top box, heated grips, Givi taller screen and Givi bag. The Burgman 400 is stylish, sporty and practical. It nips in and out of traffic with ease, and the underseat storage is ample. This maxi scooter will return you 70 miles per gallon, and with its eco-drive indicator reminding you when you are getting a little throttle happy. If you're a city slicker looking for a solid, reliable and stylish workhorse, then look no further. This popular maxi scooter would leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional peace of mind. We are able to deliver this bike anywhere in the UK and offer a wide selection of finance options. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 073598 37799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.